Jet 396, spare tire ready to go, or need a little bit more time?
To go.
Jet 936, traffic 3.5 out to Beechjet, turn right heading 150, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff.
Right 150, 8 right, cleared for takeoff, Beechjet 936. We're boarding. We need to exit off of the left right here and then come back around. We need to change runway.
Jet 936, no problem. Got plenty of space behind you. Left turn there at Alpha Niner, and you can taxi back to runway 8 right via Alpha with me, and just remain this frequency, please.
Taxi back to the end of the runway on Alpha, and then we'll stay with you, and we don't need assistance at the time. Jet 936.
Thank you for the heads up. Jet 936, Spirit Tower. When you have a chance, just let me know. I just gotta find out one question for you.
Go ahead.
Jet 936, I'm sorry, if you could remind me what the reason for the aborted takeoff was?
Yeah, we had, on the ramp, we had to reset, and then we just didn't have the right runway reloaded in when we reset everything. And so we just got to check runway, and we probably would have been fine, but it's always better to just stop and double check, so we did.
Sounds good. That works perfectly fine for me. I just want to make sure I have that information, so if you take your time, let me know when you're ready to go.
There should be about 1 to 2 minutes, we'll advise.
Very much.
Jet 936, ready to go.
Jet 936, Spirit Tower, roger. Working on your release again. I'll have you roll in just a moment. Exit Jet 936, got your release now. Turn right, heading 150, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff.
150, 8 right, cleared for takeoff, Jet 936.
Jet 936, contact St. Louis departure. Have a great flight.
Very good, Jet 936. Thanks, Rob. Good night.
Tower, Cirrus 21 Papa Kilo.
Cirrus 21 Papa Kilo, Spirit Tower, good evening. Say request.
We're currently about 12 miles to the northwest inbound for a full stop. We've got Alpha.
Cirrus 21 Papa Kilo, Spirit Tower, roger. Go ahead and make straight in, runway 8 right.
And 8 right, 21 Papa Kilo.
Cirrus 21 Papa Kilo, runway 8 right. You are clear to land.
Cleared to land, 21 Papa Kilo. Cirrus 2 Papa Kilo, we'll take a left turn on Alpha 5, we're going to signature.
1 Papa Kilo, roger, left Alpha 5 is approved, cross Alpha to signature with me, and have a great day.
5, cross Alpha, stay with you to signature, 2 Papa Kilo.
39 Romeo, I believe I cleared you, but if not, runway 8 right, you are cleared to land. Street on a Romeo, you can make a left turn here out the reverse high speed or Alpha 5, your choice. Contact ground 121.7 went off. Have a great day.
Reverse high speed, contact ground.
Here's our crew check 673, holding short of 8 right at Charlie, ready for departure.
Career track 673, Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Continue holding, just waiting for the traffic to clear. I'll have you rolling in just a moment.
Holding at 8 right at Charlie, crew check 673.
Career track 673, for now turn right southbound. I'll get you more on course in a moment. Runway 8 right at Charlie, cleared for takeoff.
Charlie clear for takeoff, turn right southbound, crew check 673.
Zero Papa, Roger, you can make straight in, runway 8 right, clear to land number 1 for that runway, and just let me know you cannot see the Vassies.
8 right, clear to land for 70 Papa, I'll let you know when we get it. Yeah, it looks like we're not getting anything on them for 8 right.
Roger, thanks. Like 727 Sierra Papa, I'm putting the approach lights on, just let me know if you get the approach lights. Like 727 Sierra Papa, do you have the approach lights now?
No, I'm not really seeing anything. It almost looks like for the Pappies, looks like maybe the bottom or top 2 are burnt out. I think the top 2 are burnt out, but honestly, I'm not seeing anything for the approach lights either. No rabbit or nothing.
I'm going to put them up one more intensity there.
There we go. Now we got the approach lights for 70 Papa.
Here, and I'm going to put them back down real quick for 727 Sierra Papa. Did they come down or did they go off?
They're it's very light, but yeah, I can still see them for 70 Papa.
Roger, thank you very much, and I appreciate all that help.
It's Spirit Tower, 70 Pop. I just got a picture of it if you wanted me to shoot you a picture of what it looked like. I don't know if you need that much help, but...
No, we'll just have we'll have Tech Ops come out and take a look at it whenever they are here. I'm not sure when we'll have one of them come back in, but no worries.
Tower 727, Sierra Papa going around. That way we can loop back around for 8 left.
727 Sierra Papa, Roger, and when able, you can make left traffic for runway 8 left.
For 8 left, 7 Sierra Papa.
Good afternoon, Citation 615 Papa Lima, be right at the end.
615 Papa Lima, Spirit Tower, good afternoon, working on release. 615 Papa Lima, turn left, heading 310, runway 8 right, cleared for takeoff.
To a heading of 310, cleared for takeoff, 8 right, 615 Papa Lima.
Citation 615 Papa Lima, contact St. Louis departure and have a great flight.
Departure so long, 5 Papa Lima, thank you, sir.
Hello, Tower 15 Zulu Zulu's coming up on your right base for 8 right.
Aviation 15 Zulu Zulu, Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Wind 120 at 11, gust 17. Runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Right, clear to land, 15 Zulu Zulu.
A15 Zulu Zulu, Roger. You can make the left turn Alpha 5 and then taxi via Alpha, taxi lane Bravo to SAS with me, and have a great day. 2307, that traffic to make in their 2 mile right base to final. Got plenty of space for you. Runway 8 right, cleared to land at number 2.
Number 2 on 8 right for 2307.
You can make this left turn here, reverse high speed, taxi via Alpha to Aero Charter with me, and have a great day.
Aero Charter, stay with you for 2307. Talk to you soon.
That's 929, we're on that right down, 1 for runway 8.
929 Spirit Tower, good afternoon. Wind 100 at 10, gust 18, runway 8 right, cleared to land.
Runway 8 right, that's jet 929.
At 929, and just use caution, there's a vehicle on the south side runway 8 right by the 500 foot markers, but they're off the runway.
Jet 929, thank you.
Central aircraft Spirit Ocean Bravo current, wind 110 at 8, gust 18, altimeter 2963. Kilo, runway 8 right, clear to land number 2.
Kilo, clear to land number 2.
Kilo, there is a vehicle about 500 feet down the runway remaining south of the runway at all times.
Kilo copies, thank you.
Juliet Kilo, left turn Alpha 6, reverse high speed, taxi to Mistwood via Alpha 6.
1 Juliet Kilo, Alpha 6, that's Mistwood, staying with you.
345, wind 090 at 8, turn left heading 310, runway 8 right, clear for takeoff.
Turn to 310, 8 right, clear for takeoff, that wind 345.